Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the flint in your Zippo lighter. You can see I got a chrome Zippo lighter right here. If you're interested in this product or anything you see here in the video, the links to them will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check them out and do your shopping from there. Now let's go ahead, let's take the lighter apart and let's change the flint. Disassembly of your Zippo lighter is really simple and straightforward. Just gently pull the insert out. On the bottom, we can see a felt pad and we have a screw. We need to remove this flathead screw. You can use a screwdriver or you can use your lighter if you want. So then just untwist it. And this is a spring, so it's under a lot of tension. So just gently twist it out and you'll see, there we go. We have that big spring on the end. Now we just need to tip it upside down and our flint piece will fall out. Now you can go ahead and put your new flint piece back in. So just drop it right back in and repeat everything in reverse order. So now we need to put the spring screw back on. This is the hardest part of the whole process, I think, because you have to like delicately balance it with your finger while pushing it in, while not cross-threading it or anything else. But then once you get it started, then you don't have to push anymore. And then you can just twist it in place. And then we can tighten it back down with our screwdriver or with our case cover. Now we can go ahead, we can put the insert back into the lighter and we're ready to use it. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.